Good morning from Glen Mawr on Rock Run Road. This is a scene of a crash that occurred about 8:10 this morning. The Sun-Gazette's told that the dump truck fully loaded with gravel stone that was working on a road site here on Rock Run Road, just off of Route 220 in Shrewsbury Township, that for some unknown reason, the dump truck loaded with stone overturned here, trapping the driver. We're told a gentleman in his 60s for close to an hour. He was conscious and alert and talking. The entire time. His injuries appeared minor. It took an extensive time to get him out, close to an hour, according to Picture Rock's Fire Chief Al Little, because they needed to stabilize the vehicle, and they did that primarily by using chains and come-alongs, other rescue tools to stabilize the vehicle so that firefighters would not be harmed while they worked to free him. Once the vehicle was stabilized, they took out the windshield, put the gentleman on a backboard, and took him out of the took him out through the windshield, loaded him onto an ambulance, and I'm told that he's on his way to the Muncie Valley Hospital. Again, we're in Glen Mawr here on Rock Run Road, where this dump truck loaded with gravel stone overturned, trapping the driver for about an hour, and he's being treated for what appeared to be non-life-threatening injuries at the Muncie Valley Hospital. Phil Holmes reporting today, Tuesday. Excuse me, today is Wednesday. This crash happened today, Wednesday, in Shrewsbury Township. Phil Holmes reporting for the Sun-Gazette.